Hey guys, welcome back. So, like I told you last week, we were gonna come back with something sexy for the inside of the house as we did something sexy for the outside of the house last week. So as you can see here, look at the curves on this lady right here. Tell me that ain't sexy. Just imagine that sitting on your tabletop, in your kitchen, in your dining room. So I think this piece right here, man, it really makes a statement, it makes an impact. So we're gonna get into looking at how to make this and how to create it. It's very simple and easy to make. HaiTiaN Bob's gonna take you back into his garage and we're gonna craft this thing out and really make an impact on your house. Now, before we do that, I do wanna talk about one thing. This right here, I'm gonna make it available to purchase on my website. So for some of you guys who don't have the tools or are too lazy to do it, because I know some of you guys are lazy out there and don't want to do it, I will have this available for you to order. Now, just a note on that, these are custom made. So it's not like you can order it and I'll ship it out tomorrow. It may take about a week and a half or 2 weeks for me to actually make it and then get it shipped to you. So it's gonna be $30 to order on the website plus the shipping, which is $5. So $35 in total to get this ordered and shipped to you. So I will make that available for the first time. Normally I only have apparel available on the website, but I will put this on the website available to order. So go ahead and place your order if you are interested in ordering it. Besides that, guys, I'm gonna let Anna continue to sing and we're gonna put some seek on that bonbon. Hey. We made it 6 months, home. Woo! Yeah! You stuck with us! Welcome back to my garage, guys. So, let's get this project started. Now this is gonna be really, really simple. It's one of the easiest projects that I've done. It's really drilling some holes and then attaching the base. That's really it, guys. So really simple, really straightforward project. Anybody can do it. So I'm not gonna hold you up very long for this project. So let's get into it and see how it gets done. Follow me. All right, guys, so I definitely wanted to take a closer look here just so you can see what I'm marking off and what I'm doing here. So because I'm gonna end up having 3 bottles that's gonna end up going in here, I wanna make sure I mark off exactly where I'm gonna be drilling these holes into. So if you can see here, what I ended up doing is I want an inch at the top. So I marked off the inch there. I marked off the inch at the bottom here. And then what I did was I measured off 3.5 inches, which is what my actual drill bit is. So that's what this little curve is here. And I found the center point there 1 inch off. So this is actually where the initial drill bit's gonna go into. And then this is where I'm gonna be drilling. So that's my first hole. Then my second one, I measured off 5.5 inches. And the reason why I did that was because when I put my other hole here for my bottle going the opposite direction, I want to have at least 1 inch on each side of here to help support the bottles. So if this is 3.5, I added an inch on one side, an inch on the other side, and that's how I got 5.5. And so once I measured off those 5.5 inches, I found out where my other bottle's gonna go when I marked off. So these are the 2 holes I'm gonna drill off first. And then I would drill the 3rd hole on this side where the other bottle is gonna come out. And so I've already marked that off, and that's where my other hole will go. There should be a 1/2 inch on each side after I'm done drilling these. And then we're gonna attach this to the base. And then so just a note here, one of the first things that I wanna do as I do this, I'm gonna actually clamp this down because the drill that I'm using is a really, really powerful drill. It's an impact drill, it's a driver. And so it can get away from you if you don't actually really clamp these things down. So that's what I'm gonna do first. I'm gonna clamp this wood down to my table and then I'm gonna drill into it. Simple as that. All right, so as you can see, this is a very thick piece of wood. So of course my drill bit's not gonna go all the way through it. So it got about, all right, so this is a very thick piece of wood. So of course my drill bit's not gonna go all the way through it because it's not 4.5 inches long. So it got about, I would say 3/4 of the way down. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grab a chisel, hammer it through to take this piece off so I can continue drilling down and getting all the way through this piece here. So it should be pretty easy, pretty straightforward since it's already broken down most of the parts anyway. All right, so just like that, I've chiseled out the pieces so you can see right here where we're currently sitting. And I just have to get the rest of this off. So my drill bit now should be able to go all the way through here, no problem, and give me the cuts that I need. Then I will flip this over. And then I'm gonna get right in here where I marked off for the other one. So I would have my 3 bottles in here. And that would be my actual starting off base. All right, so just that easy. We're all sanded down and we're ready to either paint or stain, whichever you prefer. Either one looks really, really great on this. So the only other part that you're gonna have to do now, I got a little base here, and it's about 5 by 5, 5.5 by 5.5. I'm gonna center this and drill it down at the bottom. I'm gonna make sure these screws underneath here are countersunk though, because I don't want those screws to be hanging out there and possibly scratch a countertop or something to that nature. So make sure that you attach this, or this actually bounces out pretty well when you put the bottles in there anyway. So if you don't want to put a base, you don't need to, but I think it looks better with the base, just my preference. But that will finish you off. So what I'm gonna do now is just get some stain on here and we'll be good to go. So once again, guys, that's all I have for you today. I want to thank you for joining me again here on DIY on the Fly. We're going to be doing this throughout the year. So it's not going to be every Friday, but probably every other Friday. We'll be doing some quick, easy to do projects that anybody can do at home, guys. So come back, join us, join me, HaiTiaN Bob. Go to MezamiKisa.com, right, and subscribe today. So we appreciate you. Hope you come back and see us. Peace out. Much love. That Grown and Sexy is on and popping, guys. Hey. Hey. Let's get it. Grown and Sexy. Grown and Sexy.